Hi guys! Welcome to my vlog and welcome to my channel again. This is Judy Tesoro Catalia, the famous Lazada vlogger. Guys, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Judy Tesoro Catalia, the famous Lazada vlogger. And don't forget, like and share with comment down below. Well, today is update to my YouTube for my vlog and to my FB reels. Syempre, yesterday is a payday with my workmates and close friends. Kaya naman nag-bonding moment kami sa labas. Ayan, nakita niyo naman kung ano ang mga ganap at pangyayari sa bawat oras na magkakasama kami.
Parang pinagtutulungan
Kaya nandito kami ngayon sa Bonnets Food House.
Nagtutulungan niyo siya.
Kumakain kami ng breakfast meal na in-order namin na sinerve sa amin ng mga mababait na service crew. Ipapakita ko